Oh, packaging. I've never seen a piece this long. We unwrapped it. What do you think, Karma? Whoa. Sure, now that I get the camera out, you're not doing anything. Goes all the way across the whole apartment. Here. Anyway, she has been jumping on this. Yeah. You gonna get it? Get that paper. Yeah. Get it. It's like, where do I lay down? There's just too much to pick from. Yeah, too much. Yeah. Should we save this for Leah? Oh, I tell ya, we are easily entertained up here. Bye.